and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep,
Hey fam, welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm using my Levo machine, doing a little demo on how I'm making my hair oil, because as you guys can clearly see, my hair needs some fruits and berries. So if you guys are new here, welcome, and thank you guys for returning, for all my returning subscribers. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that link down below so you can join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're going to start off by turning on our machine and selecting our cycle, which, since I'm going to be using some dry herbs already, it's going to be the infusion stage. So I'm just going to press this 3 times until it says infuse. So when I open the top, as you can see right here is the reservoir, and this is where your oil will be coming out of. So we're going to make sure we fill it up, and it do have a minimum line and a max line. And today I'm going to be using some lavender, and like I mentioned before, it's already dry, so I don't have to worry about the drying process. So now I'm going to fill up the canister with the lavender petals. I might as well dump the whole thing. So y'all, I started my lock journey in December, and I decided to do locks because I was perming, dyeing, and frying my hair out, and I had an incident where, you know, I burnt out some of my hair, and you already know how this went.
Oh my God. No. Oh no. She's sick. Oh, no, it's my hair! Oh my God! No!
Now you want to make sure you cover the top with the lid. Very important to make sure that the leaves don't come popping out and then you have it into your oil. So you want to make sure it's nice and clean. So just cover it up, and then you'll be able to place it into the reservoir. Now I'm going to be using the coconut oil that you can also get on their website. And don't worry, you guys, I'll leave everything linked down below, as well as my discount code, so you can save an additional 10%. Go ahead and check out the Levo system. I know you guys are not going to regret it. So as you guys can see me right here, I'm pouring in our oil, which is going to be our base oil. I'm also going in with some castor oil, and you want to make sure it's pure castor oil. And this is going to help with the breakage, so it's very important that you add some castor oil to your coconut oil. Now we're going to just add the plastic stir into our reservoir, and this is just going to ensure that everything mixes well. So I'm glad they added that to it. Now we're just going to close this and let it warm up. So you can see me right here choosing my cycle, and you can see it's dry, activate, and also infuse. And I'm going to press the infuse option. So now it's telling me it's going to be 2 hours on 150 degrees that it's going to take to warm up this machine. So in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to go start my hair. So infusing is complete. Now we're going to go ahead and press the button to infuse our oil. My love is like a damn storm. My life full of fun, and I'm one of my hoes born. She never So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer my oil right with this pipette into this little glass container, just so it can be a little more easier for me to put in my hair. And I'm just going to fill it all the way up. So here go our yummy oil, and it smells so good. And you could literally use this on your hair, your body. Like, it'll make an amazing treat for a bath. So I will be entering some videos and photos of my hair and the oil right after this. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Please, if you haven't already, check out my link down below. That way you can save an additional 10%. And you guys can have this lovely machine to yourself as well. So you guys, thank you guys. I appreciate you all. Peace.